Hi everyone, how are you doing, my people, my people? I am back with another video. And first and foremost, thanks to my subscribers. I thank you so much for liking, for sharing, and for subscribing. Thank you. A girl bless you no up. You get me? Bless up on a good, clean self, as we say in Jamaica. Right? So guess what today's video is about? It's about 10 things that you should never say to a Jamaican. In other words, when you say them things, them head chip, them get angry. So guess what? We are going to go into the video. All right. First, number one on the list: never bring homosexual argument to a Jamaican. Telling them you like them in an intimate way. For instance, you're a female and you tell another female that you like her in an intimate way, or you're a male and tell a man that you like him in an intimate way. No, 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 no. We not deal with that. We not take that so lightly, right? Because Jamaica is a highly homophobic society. So guess what? Never bring homosexual argument to a Jamaica. Them why you out, them gun you out for that, right? Right? Never tell a man, say look sexy, iron jeans look good. As a man, you never do that in Jamaica, right? So never tell a man anything if you're of the same sex. Do not, especially men, they take it really, really bad, right? In the sense that they don't talk about it. The men, they are they get very angry about these things. Right, number two, never tell a Jamaican to go suck his mother. Huh? You should never ever, it's like you commit the sin of all sins. This is one of the sin of all sins. Never tell a look on a Jamaican and say go suck your mother. No, we consider that to be disrespectful. So if you want you and a Jamaican to continue being friends, remember these are things that you avoid. Number three, never ask a Jamaican silly question. No, we don't have the patience. Jamaicans don't have the patience for these things. So when you ask them silly questions, you're only getting them annoyed and angry. Because the culture is so aggressive that we don't find the time for certain silly things. The silly things, sometimes people come to you asking you a question like, are all Jamaicans red? Every Jamaican smoke weed? Come on. Jamaicans, we get annoyed by these questions because you're asking me if all Jamaicans are dread. I'm not dread. So therefore, you have to know the things to say to Jamaicans. They will get really bombshell mad, sick, and no good. In other words, angry. Alright? Never beat around the bush with Jamaican. When you're talking to Jamaican, come straight up. So if you're going to ask them for the bag, come straight up and ask them for the bag. You're going to ask for a bag? Come straight up and ask them for the bag. Don't beat around the bush. They find this very disrespectful. Never do that to a Jamaican. It's annoying and they don't like it. Right? The other things, never. Number five, never tell a lie on a Jamaican. No, don't accuse them. Don't insinuate nothing about them. Especially when they tell you, say, them, no man, you'll get a Jamaican bombshell mad. You don't do this, right? Never you tell a lie on a Jamaican if you don't want them head up, lift off. If you don't want them done out, no, do not tell a lie on a Jamaican. Do not tell a lie on a Jamaican. This makes them angry. It makes them mad. Well, as I said before, Jamaicans, we frown on homosexual. Therefore, if a man is homosexual and behaving effeminate, we hate when the men, when they're homosexual and they're behaving effeminate, doing their hands like this and all of that. No, Jamaicans, we're not in that. Jamaicans will rather to know that if you're homosexual, you keep it to yourself. You know, flaunt your hand and flaunt yourself. Talk and all up in a people's face and all of that. No, Jamaicans don't take that lightly. You go to a Jamaican and you have this gesticulation where as a man you'll be like, can you tell me where the supermarket is? They will just say to your brother, come out of my face. Or it's a thing that sometimes they won't even answer you, especially when it is a man. The females are a little different because we tend to be more understanding, but the males, they don't understand. They get really angry. So if you're these are things you just never go to a Jamaican man behaving like a woman when you are a man and expect them to actually have a conversation with you. That's a no. Never do that. Right? That's number 7. Number 8. Never take a public transportation. Never you take a transportation and not announce that you don't have the fare. As a matter of fact, as if you don't have the fare, announce your financial situation to the doctor or the driver. Never you enter a transportation where a Jamaican is conducted and don't tell them that you don't have the money. They will throw you off the bus. Jamaicans, we don't play them way there. We like when you have manners. As we say, proper. Have manners. Carry yourself. Deal with the thing proper. Nobody bad up that one here. Tell me, say you don't have it. More enough to deal with it. That is how Jamaicans deal. They want you to come up front. As I said, they don't like when you beat around the bush. So come up front. I don't have it. And I'm asking you for a ride. So Jamaicans will allow you. But never you go on a transportation in Jamaica and disclose your financial situation if you're short. Alright? Number 9. Never bad up a Jamaican. Jamaicans, we have low tolerance and no tolerance for people talking to it anyway, disrespecting us any and any way. We don't take that lightly. Jamaicans, we are very angry people. Some of us are very calm, but some of us are very angry and we're easily triggered. So therefore, when you're speaking to a Jamaican, you have to know what you are doing. Alright? Now, and number 10, never trust things from a Jamaican and no pay and then bad them up over it. No. You are looking for a all-out war, right? Jamaicans, we don't take things like that lightly. So therefore, if you're taking things from a Jamaican, you tell them next week they might come for it. If you don't have it, let them know that you don't have it. Never do that to a Jamaican. It's like you take off them head and send them pressure, them anger to the roof. Jamaicans, you know, play them game there. Them game, they're serious joke. We don't run those jokes. Those jokes are serious jokes. So there you go. That's the 10 things. I'm going to have a part 2 to this video, and that is the 10 things you never do to a Jamaican, because guess what? You will regret it. Okay? So until next time, bye. Take care of a nice, clean, dainty self.